Hello everybody! Today I am back playing Left 4 Dead 2 and we're going to be playing Crash Course today. And yesterday, if you haven't seen it, go watch it first. I did No Mercy and I completed the whole entire campaign. And I'm doing all of this in chronological order as well. So this one's next, so we're going to be doing this today. And I'll probably also be doing Death Toll.
Yeah, at least 2 levels from Death Toll.
Oh, and we got a special guest.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yep. Okay.
So we crashed.
Yep.
That entire last campaign was kind of for nothing.
I had a good feeling about that helicopter too.
Turn it down a tiny bit. Yeah. Okay. And again, just like I say in every video, there is lots of gore, violence. If you're not into that, I recommend clicking off. Yep. There's the pilot. Yep. So, okay. Golf club. Oh. Okay. So, that was brutal. Blue vial. Let me get it. Okay. So I'm assuming we just go through here. Oh. Okay. Let's go up here then. This is 1, 2, 3. I have a really good idea.
Oh no.
Oh god! It was a good or bad technique. I mean, I killed all the zombies here, so I guess that's a plus. Okay, incendiary ammo, so this will make our guns flaming. Okay.
You got me?
Okay.
On here.
Okay, so even more fire. Probably not the best idea I've had, but. Oh god! No, someone shoot a hunter! Okay, oh god. That was close. Okay. Neat. Something's nearby. I heard a sound. Something is nearby. I heard it.
I'm back. How's it going?
Good. Spit it. Okay. Wow. Okay. February. I said that so long. February. Boink. Hunter. Oh my god. Oh.
content.
For content. Ah! Content! Slow now. Okay, I was about to say, is anyone gonna heal me?
You want also hit that truck for content?
Content! Smoky. Oh god. Okay, yep, let's go. Oh god. I hate this.
Hey, there's on 15. Look. You feel it? It's right there.
I like this gun.
You know SMG guy?
Yep.
I think I'll find that.
More Advil.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Sorry, dude. Let me have
I'm sorry about that. I quickly died.
fire. Oh. Oh god. Everyone who watched last episode, everyone who watched part 2 of No Mercy will get this. Oh god. Oh. More Advil. I'm gonna die. I don't want legs. Wait, is this supposed to have that just a second ago? Okay.
Vision all 10 for you again.
This place feels familiar. Oh, this place doesn't though. Wait, does it though? I'm not sure.
Oh, pardon Francis.
Yes. No, no. Really, dude?
Bye, Francis.
Okay.
That's it for that. Imagine that was the
Okay, now this is the finale. Crash Course is only 2. So
So we're probably going to do 1 or 2 of Death Toll 2
yep.
as well. He scratched himself. Why you scratch your table?
If you like it.
Can't argue against that, can I?
No. Okay. I don't really need the defib.
Hey, look, there's also more melees if you need them. I kind of like your Gold Club though. You're gonna hold old Harley.
Peter, only still in Riverside waiting for you at the depot. We finished the truck early. they got to them before I did. Oh god. Look off. Mobile. Okay, I'm gonna do my classic.
Grenade!
Okay.
Oh,
What?
Okay, don't know what's happened, but I am now disturbed. What?
That's my classic now. Boomobile and Molotov are the best combination. More Advil.
He hears a hunter, I hear fire.
More Advil.
Yes, Advil for life. Advil! Boomer!
Oh my god. Okay.
My what? Click Z, and I think C to say lines.
Oh yeah. Look.
Yes, we have captions on. Don't judge us. We like captions.
Nah, I can do this.
Here's Johnny. For a second, I thought those were all
Me
witches.
too.
You're almost there. You're halfway there, buddy. I'm ball top. Ow! The sound. Why are all these zombies beating the heck out of each other? You know you're beating the heck out of them still.
Advil.
Advil. Why do you immediately take everything at Advil these days? Because it's Advil.
I'm gonna die.
He's gonna overdose on Advil. For the content. Did she immediately die?
Yep.
You startled the witch.
Ow. This isn't the best idea I've had in a while. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh god. What's the best idea I've had in a while? This can only make me better.
Oh!
Ow, you're back. well.
This will. Boomer.
No, I think it's a jockey.
It's a boomer. No, that's a tank. Oh God, I should have saved my Molotov.
Oh, he's moving on. Hey, we just knew that too. Anyone have any Advil?
No, I put some band-aids.
Band-Aids.
Ow.
Have a quick band-aid.
Yes.
Heal our wounds.
What do you? I'm back. It's gone through so much.
You are going to have scoliosis after this.
There's a sketchy.
Well, you usually set Advil here.
Hunter. No, that's smoking, not a hunter.
Dang, you got a lucky shot. You went right through that little itty bitty corner. I gotta give him props to my man. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
This is like dude perfect. But for a mortified human being, again, don't smoke kids. That's what will happen. And you know what that happened to
And any, not just kids, just don't smoke in general.
Yeah. Some of the kids, they don't start. Because some people damage their lungs for fun, and I don't understand it.
2 in a row? Does that work?
We are behind it. Let's go in.
That dude takes heaven. That's so sketchy. We're stuck in the dead end. Let's see. Don't smoke. Oh God. Oh God. Ugh. Ugh. Boom. No intestines went all the way over here. Another Gatling gun.
What?
Another Gatling gun.
I
Some gas
recognize
tanks.
this.
And this is, I think this is the port.
It's a white van. This can only end well. It's a white van. This can only end well.
Where's the generator?
Bill should have many experience with this.
Where's the generator?
What if you need of those to refill the generator?
Kerosene.
You when you don't have gas. I think it's right there. I Sure, I mean, it's not it was over there.
I think it might be in here. Yep.
Okay, well. Advil! Flu shot. Oh. You're bleeding. You're gonna die. Weapon. Grammar. Hey, Advil! Almost forgot the Advil. It's right there.
I want to get copyrighted.
Why? I think you needed a gas tank to refill it.
No.
Nope.
I'm going to have to refill it. We just have to
Oh, those are lights. Where is
the
it?
lift? Can you specify?
Just look around, I guess.
Yeah, I guess it's this.
They don't really specify.
Thank Ben. Where is the generator?
We're gonna explain that in the comments.
Is that?
Is it? I mean, it has to be reachable. Is it, look around the wall. We might be stupid.
Probably.
It's probably just sitting in front of us. Where's the lift?
There's multiple lifts.
Maybe it's that one right there.
Is that
Maybe
a
that's
light
a-
or generator?
That's
a
light.
light.
They give us so much health kits that it's scary. Because it means we're about to do a boss fight early. They're giving us too much items.
Oh, it's back here.
It's right
Here
there!
it is.
Yes! What do you think I'm doing? Sitting here looking for a gum? I'm counting grass seeds. There's health kit.
I know.
Okay. Okay, Peppa Pig stickers.
Okay. Defend ourselves. Oh. I hit him. I hit him.
Hit him with a frying pan. Grape jelly everywhere, am I right? Why do all the zombies, they don't eat brains like everyone thinks. They actually eat grape jelly.
Yes.
The green flu makes them crave jelly. Weird, right? Strawberry jam is their life.
This is easy.
Zoe, you're gonna need to move.
Zoe, I can't shoot anyone. You're in the way.
Okay, Zoe, a frying pan.
You're not even standing.
wait a hold on.
That doesn't make sense. They can
No
stand
one's
there. but I
standing. Oh
can't.
my gosh, what's happening?
Excuse me. I hate physics.
Screw Francis. Francis casually made an angle off a cliff. Heal Zoe. Zoe has her own health kit. She can heal herself. For what?
What the?
Oh god. Oh goodness gracious. Great jam filled zombies everywhere. Why do they like strawberry jam so much?
I don't know.
The green foods and cracks contagiousness. Like every time you catch it, you know, you're eager. Like, you really want that strawberry jam. I keep saying grape, but strawberry. Look at all strawberry jam on the
That's a
floor.
tank.
Oh, I can tell the effect that the rocket that flew through our vehicle that we needed to get in.
Where'd it go?
Duh. How are you? That was very easy. No one even got hit by it. No one took one hit point.
Oh god.
Can it lower? It ain't really lowering. It's moving a millimeter every 3 seconds.
God knows where the lift is. Don't even know where the lift is. Don't give us a good description.
We just have to give that van that's sitting right there. It's probably not working to give him a rock from the windshield, but okay.
Oh,
Right? And his charge has been dying. Just give it a second. And it's dead.
try your best.
Grape jelly everywhere, am I wrong?
Yes.
I am wrong. It's
No.
strawberry jam.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm a fan of grape jelly, not strawberry jelly.
Same.
Comments don't get mad. It's an opinion.
Comments won't turn on.
I know, so really?
Bill.
Bill will do it this time. You're good. Everyone gets to turn restarting the generator, except Bill has to do it last. Deal?
No, I think it's not broken. I don't think it's the generator. It's a tank.
Swearing, maybe. Generator. Lewis, stop swearing at the generator. What did it do to
There's
you?
a tank somewhere.
And the person who needs to run.
You can't run faster than this.
Not you, them. Francis is going the other direction. One direction.
They saw their friend.
You see Francis over there just getting mauled?
Yep.
Francis is dying.
There's a tank.
Oh, right there. I mean, not anymore, but it was right there.
Another one's gonna come looking for their two friends.
Oh crap, get in. Get in the back, get in the back, get in the back.
Another tank.
Screw the tank.
There's another tank.
Girl, bye.
It's right next to us. Yes. Oh my god. Get us out of here.
So we can make our way to the next campaign called Death Talk.
3 tanks. That sounds oddly familiar. Oh. That was epic.
So now you want to try to attempt one level of old...
No.
What?
So everyone, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Death Toll is gonna be out like almost the same time because I'm planning on posting these at this like exact same time. So get ready for that, and peace and Doge epic.